Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Now I am currently over on my Etsy shop manager part, yeah, and we're going to look at if I've made any income. Now you can see here I've had one order today, yeah, it's set on today, and I've made £1.20, yeah. Yeah, so let's have a look, guys. So yesterday I made three orders, £3.60. Now I'm not earning much, but some of my items, they're all like digital, so it's like, you know, an A4 piece of paper basically. So yeah, but the last 7 days, £16, 12 orders, and then the last 30 days, £56, guys, 30 orders. So yeah, I seem to be making daily sales, which is good. Now, and as it's getting closer to Christmas, and a lot of my products are Christmas related, it's starting to make more and more, guys. Still only a small shop, still relatively new as well, but yeah, I'm enjoying this, guys. And yeah, what do I say? I mean, if you like this kind of video, check out my previous Etsy earnings, and I also show some of the things I make and some of the things I sell over on my channel, so feel free. Now this is my channel, yeah, so if you click on videos here, you can see yeah, I make things, and I show you what I'm making and what I'm uploading, guys, yeah. If you look at this video, I got my KDP account suspended, and I got YouTube demonetized me, so that's two sources of income just vanished, guys. So it's a good thing I'm earning on Etsy. Now it might not be lots and lots on Etsy, but it's still earning, guys. So that video talks about don't keep all your eggs in one basket. So yeah, please check it out, guys, and subscribe to the channel if you've not done so already, because I'm very transparent. I show you what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, what you can do as well, and I show you. Do you know what I mean? Some people don't even show you what they're making because they don't want you to copy them. I show you everything, guys. I'm not bothered if you want to copy me. You copy me. There's a lot of money out there for us all. Yeah, I'm not selfish. So yeah, please subscribe. Make money with Jay. Yeah. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Till next time. Goodbye.